Here we go. All right, up.
Can't believe
Come
I'm
on.
falling.
Just because you're dogs doesn't mean you can't climb. We've got this. Woo! Made it. We're free. Woo!
We made it.
I never thought we'd get out of there.
Huh. Okay, we gotta make it across the street.
Cat, do us a favor. Get us out of here.
Yeah, let us out.
How'd you do it?
Come on, guys. You know cats are useless.
I think I'm useless. How about this? Ball's useless now.
I think you misheard me. I actually said useful.
No. You said useless.
Thank you, Pierce.
Okay, I'll make you a deal. I'll let y'all out if you help me get out of here and become my bodyguard. See you guys
Oh,
out.
we